What are you doing, Anish?
I am breaking these leaves
Why are you breaking that leaves?
for birds.
What do they do with that?
Make it a part of their nest. Make it part of their nest.
Oh, do they use that as to make their nest?
Yes.
Ah, that's brilliant. So you're going to keep it there so that the birds can take it?
Yes.
Very well done. So that's good. So it's all done.
Yes.
So can we move that to their
Oh.
temporary nest?
Yes.
All right, we'll do that. Is that the temporary bird nest?
Yes.
So they'll come and take from there, Anish?
Yes.
That's brilliant.
Oh, whatever bird makes eggs in there.
Okay. And these two as well as the temporary nest, so that they can take from there.
They are both nests.
Ah, very good. Very well done.
Dad.
So they can take and then make nest from there.
Dad.
And there's one more here.
Yes, that's another one.
Very good. You're trying to peel more?
Here you go.
Thank you, Anish. Thank you. So do these useful for their nest?
Yes.
Very good.